In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort WooCommerce products. If you've ever found yourself trying to arrange your online store's products in a way that makes the most sense for your customers, then this video is for you. We'll walk through each step to show you just how easy it is to customize the order of your products in WooCommerce, so you can create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive right in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Products section. You'll find this in the sidebar on the left-hand side. Click on All Products. Here, you can see a complete list of all the products you currently have in your WooCommerce store. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with this section as it serves as the command center for managing items you want to sell. Now, at the top of this page, you'll notice a link labeled Sorting. Click on this link. This menu option is specifically designed for you to manage the order of your products. It offers a straightforward way to adjust the sequence they appear in. Once you're on the sorting page, you'll see a list of your products. This is where the customization begins. Using the drag and drop feature, you can rearrange the products by simply clicking and holding the item you'd like to move, then dragging it to your preferred position. This method is both user-friendly and efficient since all changes are automatically saved. So, take your time figuring out the arrangement that best suits the layout you envision for your store. Reorganizing your products strategically can enhance the shopping experience, make it easier for customers to find what they need, and potentially boost your sales. Now that you've customized the order of your products, we need to ensure that this change takes effect site-wide. To do this, we need to check one more setting within your WooCommerce customization settings. Head over to Appearance in the WordPress dashboard and click on Customize. From there, navigate to WooCommerce. This is your go-to section for tweaking how your shop functions and displays on your site. Here you'll find Product Catalog. In the Product Catalog settings, look for the default sorting option. This setting dictates how products are ordered in different parts of your store. Set this to Default Sorting, Custom Ordering, plus Name. By selecting this option, you ensure that your custom order is applied across the entire site, integrating your previous drag and drop adjustments. And there you have it. You've now successfully adjusted the order of your WooCommerce products and made sure that these changes reflect throughout your entire store. Remember, a well-organized store not only looks professional, but also improves the shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!